Well, welcome to helpyourmath.com. Well, let's see, the topic is about the mortgage payment. And here's the payment formula. We have regular payment for each amount, each time equals the principal times annual percentage rate APR over N, divided by 1 minus the 1 plus APR over N to the negative y. At the bottom is a little tricky, but you have 1 plus APR over N, that's a fixed number, raised to the power negative ny, and one takeaway from that. Right? It's kind of 3 steps to do that. And the quotient that gives us the annual payment. Right, so payment, we have principal, we have annual percentage rate, the interest rate, in other words, the number of payment each year, and the term in years. Right? Usually you'll see the 15 or 30-year payments. Let's see an example. Right. So we need a loan of 480,000 to buy a new home. The bank offers a 20-year loan at APR of 5%. So want us to calculate the monthly payment. To calculate out the monthly payment. Right, so we see from the last page, that's the monthly payment will be the principal multiplied by rate over N, divided by the long one, 1 minus 1 plus the interest rate over N, raised to the negative ny. Okay, that's the formula. Right, and what we know. Let's put, let me put another color. The principal is 480,000. The annual interest rate is 5%. And convert to decimal, that's 0.05. What else? We have monthly payment, usually to buy a house, and the number of years the loan is, we need 20 years to pay off. Right, that's all the information we know, right? So next what we need. Next we need is the numerator, which is principal times APR over N. Principal, that's 480,000, multiplied by APR over N. We're able to use a calculator to find it. APR is 0.05, divided that by 12. Or I could simply just use decimals to be a calculator. 0.05 divided by 12. That's 0.041666 all the way to 7. Then we could just record that number. Zero, 4, 1, 6, 7. Divide by 1 minus, and the bottom we have here is also a long number, right? 1 plus the APR over N. Since we have APR over N calculated already, that's it. 1 plus the APR over N. That's 1 point for whatever to the power. I have here a function, the higher power to the negative N times Y. N is 12 years, Y is 20. multiply that, we get the number is 0.3684, 0.3686, 0.3686, 444,995. We get 1 plus APR over n to the negative n1. Right. Then the product of the top, the difference of the bottom is what we need to find. 480,000 multiplied by 0.05 divided by 12, right? Or in other words, multiplied by 0.0041, about 2,000. So the numerator, we get 2,000. The denominator, we get what? 1 minus this is out. Copy here and paste. Control C and the Control V. That's 0.613555005. 0.613555631. This one. 63135555005. Right. When we divide, we get a quotient. So 2,000 divided by the quotient here. That's 3,167.787401. Right. Okay. Then, since that's the monthly payment, we round into 2 digits. So every month, it needs to pay what? $3,167.79. So for 20 years, that's this amount need to be paid if the interest rate is 5%. So total 240 payments, and you can see what you'll get. So that's this one. Thank you.